number one, reopening the economy. Because by not reopening the economy, we are putting um, lives, people's lives at stake here. People have to work. People have to find, income to sustain their everyday life. So, as a result of that, nagluwag tayo ng mga regulations natin, especially in MGCQ areas. No, we're now allowing operations of many of like hotels, accommodations, resorts, and all of that. No, but of course, we always emphasize yung physical distancing. So really, this is really the dilemma of what we want to do. Do we want to reopen the economy or we want people to stay at home? And kasi that's the problem when you reopen the economy, then there's the challenge of maintaining physical distancing. I agree with you, sir. Kahit ako lumabas ako, natakot din ako. I went to a mall at the other end, SM Mall, ang dami talagang tao. But in fairness to SM, they have COVID marshals, they have minimum health standards, no? So, siguro moving forward, what's important is we should remind all of our mall operators, no? Kasi kailangan, sir, kasi ganito, sir, ano na to this is already a whole...
Usec, wag mo ko siniser, Usec. Tropa tayo. Pare-pareho lang tayo dito. Co-worker lang tayo.
Yes. So, kailangan kasi dito, lahat na tayo magtulungan It cannot just be government. Kasi I think government has already shown what it can do. It already did what it did during the ECQ. Even when we implement very difficult standards, napipilo rin pa rin kami because, there's this always issue of government being too heavy-handed, government being too militaristic, or government being too serious about implementing health protocols. But nandito na po tayo sa we're now at the end game. And now we need everybody's cooperation. So the reminder of Secretary Anyo yesterday was for public officials to be examples. Meaning, if you are invited to an event and you have to do some background check, you have to determine if minimum health standards are implemented. Because ang position kasi namin, sir, is kung hindi na mapapatupad yung minimum health standards, you might as well not attend that event anymore. Because since you're part of government, you will definitely be criticized. No? So that's number one. And number two, we need to have more of the restaurants. We need to have more of the malls. We need to have, as you mentioned, yung mga festival of lights na yan. People have to be more proactive. And maybe the local government can take the lead in inspecting all of these establishments to ensure that minimum health standards are being implemented.